Cooper&Hunter presents our Mia series, our smallest, yet powerful mini-split, ranging from 6 to 24,000 BTU. The newly launched TU1 copper coils exhibit a 70% increase in resistance to formicary corrosion. Mia's frame has been kept with the same measurements since the new additions. Our smart kit comes included, allowing you to control your device from your phone. The turbo mode cools your space in minutes and silent mode makes everything quiet. Mia's newest release allows full compatibility with our Cooper&Hunter thermostat. Please keep in mind that this mini split only works in single-zone systems. The auto swing multi-fan speed and LED display are other features to enjoy about Mia. A carbon filter and line sets are included, and thanks to our inverter technology, you can save on the electricity bill. With sleep mode, you don't have to think about power usage. Our follow me mode gives you peace of mind about temperatures, and the timer feature helps you turn off your device. Cooper&Hunter, addicted to comfort.